And then pray. You have to pray to the various gods that are in this world. And we see on God. As you do? Mm-hmm. Don't forget to count. Oh. I think now you're 3 months with us, huh? Didn't I promise you when you're 3 months
less than, I think
that you can eat them?
2 months.
It's only 2 months?
I think it's less than that.
Less than that? Oh, then you have different memory of the time that you were staying with us already. Look at this. Look at that. This is definitely the classical case of lying down, not being able to move. Huh? Mm-hmm. And the people that are just passing, they said they don't know anything about it, the people around. Mm-hmm. You didn't find a shopkeeper or somebody that must be living in that area?
No, there was no shopkeeper.
Or maybe they dumped the dog there recently.
That's what I thought. I said maybe they dumped this one.
So it was hit by a car somewhere else, and then maybe we managed to get back to the compound.
Friendly. She was very friendly.
Mm. Sad. Let's hope that she can get better. Because in general, if she has been lying down for that long and didn't regain the strength in her back legs, in general, that's a sign of a bad prognosis. If your strength is coming back within